Welcome back to Hidden in the Stars. Before we begin today's episode, I'm apologizing in advance if I mispronounce any names today. I always try my best, but occasionally butcher the pronunciation. Please know that it is unintentional. Ever since the discovery of Neptune in 1846, astronomers and astronomy enthusiasts have been searching for another planet that might be inhabiting our solar system. Hopes were raised in 1930 with the discovery of Pluto by Clyde W. Tombaugh. We have made a video on Pluto, which I will leave linked. In that video, we discussed its demotion to dwarf planet by the International Astronomical Union in 2006. In that 76-year span, Pluto had yet to make a complete revolution around the Sun. In other words, less than a year had passed on Pluto from its discovery to its demotion. Part of the reason for Pluto's reclassification was its size, seen here in rough comparison with the size of the United States. The quest for a ninth planet in our solar system, commonly referred to as Planet 9 or Planet X, goes on, however. The latter name, Planet X, first coined by Gabriel Dallet, has long been associated with Percival Lowell, the founder of the Lowell Observatory in Flagstaff, Arizona. Interestingly, the astronomical symbol for Pluto shows the capital letters P and L, the initials of the astronomer who spent his life searching for the next planet. NASA's website confirms that the symbol was used intentionally to honor Lowell's work. But what evidence exists for such a planet? Why are scientists convinced that it must exist, even if we have yet to see it? According to NASA, astronomers studying the Kuiper Belt have noticed some of the dwarf planets and other small icy objects in that region tend to follow orbits that cluster together. By analyzing these orbits, Caltech scientists Mike Brown and Konstantin Batygin have predicted the possibility that a large, previously undiscovered planet may be hiding far beyond Pluto. They propose that gravitational interactions with a potential giant planet might explain the unusual orbits of these Kuiper Belt objects. Why a giant planet? Because the gravity needed to affect the clustered objects would necessitate a planet significantly larger than Earth. When people refer to Planet 9 or Planet X, this faraway, large object is typically what they're discussing. Recently, however, scientists have proposed that there may be yet another possibility that they are calling Planet Y. Computer models suggest that Planet Y could be located closer than Planet X, although still within the Kuiper Belt, and could be smaller in size, somewhere between the size of Earth and Mercury. A recent article in Live Science clarifies that the existence of Planet Y does not eliminate the possibility of Planet X also existing. Lead author of the article, Amir Siraj, an astrophysicist at Princeton University, expresses high hopes in the work of the Rubin Observatory in Chile, saying, quote, "I think within the first 2 to 3 years of the observatory's mission, it'll become definitive. If Planet Y is in the field of view of the telescope, it will be able to find it directly." Of course, this work is all theoretical, so don't expect an announcement tomorrow of the definitive existence of Planet 9. Are you an enthusiast for Planet 9? Would you be interested in helping scientists in their hunt? The website Zooniverse offers opportunity for citizen scientists to help by viewing images captured by NASA's Wide Field Infrared Survey Explorer, known as its WISE mission. According to the website, quote, "There's still no substitute for the human eye when it comes to recognizing subtle motions in astronomical images." Additionally, the aforementioned Rubin Observatory in Chile is being tasked with searching for more objects in the Kuiper Belt. Perhaps you could be the person to discover a new planet, with the possibility of having it named after you. So what do you think? Do you believe that Planet Y or Planet X exist? How do you think they will be found? And by whom? As always, we are looking forward to reading your comments. Catch you next time on Hidden in the Stars.